Welcome student once again in accounts class. Today we will solve one more problem on the basis of profit and loss appropriation account. So please turn out the page number 1.107, question number 27b. Please go through that particular problem. A and B are partner in a firm. They are having the capital rupee 1,80,000. It is given according to partnership deed. The partners are entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. A has advanced, means A given loan to the firm of rupee 50,000, and B is entitled to get a commission of 10% on net distributable profit after charging commission. Net profit before charging interest on capital and interest on drawing and commission is 34,000. So in this particular problem, we are having certain dates, but some dates are silent. We are having a date regarding the interest on capital, which we are going to provide to partner at the rate of 5% per annum. We are having a date regarding the commission paid to partner, but we don't have the date regarding the profit sharing ratio. So in this particular problem, we know it very well. If deed is silent regarding profit sharing ratio, we have to provide equally distribution of profit. Number 2, here profit is given, but the provision of interest on loan and advances is there. So we discussed in previous classes, maybe हमने डिस्कस किया था कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन एंड एडवांसेस या रेंट पेड टू पार्टनर will never ever appear in profit and loss appropriation account. So from this particular profit, first we have to deduct interest on loan and advances given by A to the firm. But again here deed is silent regarding the interest, so we have to apply the provisions which applicable in the absence of partnership deed. So it would be a 6% per annum. Now we solve this particular problem. First we have to draw the format of profit and loss appropriation account like this. By net profit before charging interest on loan, interest on a loan 34,000. Here we have to deduct 6% per annum, which we discussed. हमने डिस्कस किया कि जब रूल नहीं डीड नहीं होगी तो हमको 6% पर एनम के रेट से उस पर इंटरेस्ट डिडक्ट करना पड़ेगा. 50,000 into 6 by 100, ये 3,000 रुपीस डिडक्ट कर दिया. Now the profit for the appropriation would be 31,000. ये बात समझ में आ गई? 3,000 कहाँ से आया? 5% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना है. A की कैपिटल 1 लाख पर 5%, 1 लाख 5%. Now B commission. See the question. B is entitled to get a commission of 10% on net distributable profit after charging commission. यहाँ पर दो चीजें, एक आफ्टर चार्जिंग है और एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेबल प्रॉफिट क्या होगा. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेबल प्रॉफिट मींस we have a profit 31,000, we have to deduct interest on capital 9,000, so that is your 22,000 is your distributable profit. And B commission is after charging, so we know it very well. 22,000 into 10 upon 110, B commission would be rupee 2,000, and the remaining distributable profit would be to profit 20,000. How we get 31,000 minus 11,000? We will get 20,000. We don't have a deed, so the profit sharing ratio would be equal 1:1. Here we are having two partners, A and B. 20,000 into 1 by 2, 20,000 into 1 by 2, 10,000, 10,000 each. So we solve this particular problem in this particular manner. We clear each and every confusion here. How we get 3,000 rupees as an interest on loan and advances? Why 6%? What is the meaning of distributable profit? What are the rules applicable in the absence of partnership deal? So you please tally the question answer. Profit before commission is 22. We know it very well. B commission 2000. Is it clear? And the profit should be distributed between A and B 10,000 each. In next class, we will solve the question number 28A and 28B to make a justice with profit and loss appropriation account. Thank you.